Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. There is an extreme cold wave since last 15 days in Delhi. And it's so difficult to protect them from this cold web. Previously, I told you about many plants that you can take care of in cold web. The most important plant in Hindu religion is the Tulsi plant. I have already uploaded a lot of videos about how to take care of the Tulsi plant. Tulsi plant is considered holy in Hindu religion. It is believed that Tulsi plant is an avatar of goddess Lakshmi. Not only this, Tulsi is a medicinal plant with many benefits. It is one of the common home-based medicines which cures cough, cold, etc. And if you have Tulsi plant at home, you must know about its care. If you think Tulsi plant is not growing well and are wondering how to save Tulsi plant from dying, I have a few tips for you. Before you take its medicinal value, you must save the Tulsi plant from dying only. So first, you have to check the positioning of the Tulsi plant. So if you want to save your plant dying in winter, you must know that Tulsi cannot survive in frost. So you must keep it at a place where it gets sunlight. It thrives in 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. In this period of time, we try to put all the Tulsi plants from the roof to our balcony so they get 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. We also try not to keep our plants in open area. So if possible, you can also keep your plant indoors or in a shaded area. While checking the positioning of the Tulsi plant, you must also check the water schedule and pattern. Ideally, you must check the top layer of soil. If it is dry, then you must water your plant. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can make the leaves crumbly. But as it's severe cold in Delhi, my mom likes to shower the plant instead of directly watering. And because of the pollution, the leaves often get dirty, so the showering helps the leaf become clean. We kept this Tulsi plant at a rooftop. Check the condition of this leaf. It became a little dark in color. Make sure to fertilize your Tulsi plant properly. As Tulsi plant is a holy plant for us Hindu religion, so we give only special fertilizers as it's a god to us. We are right now giving flower fertilizer. We have already uploaded a video about how to make flower fertilizer. So if you are interested, you can watch that video. The next fertilizer is milk. Keep in mind, you must dilute the milk before giving to the plant. So if you take care of Tulsi plant in winter like this, I hope your plant becomes healthy, strong and very bushy. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.